A pack animal, MadHatters are rarely seen alone. They depend highly upon one another for survival. Here we see a young hatter specimen get separated from the pack during a migration. Left on his own, he will not survive the night. The Mad Hatter is indeed a social animal. In the pack, experience is the true mark of a leader. But these elders are reaching the end of their life cycle as Mad Hatters. Soon they will molt their brightly colored plumage and transition to the next stage of their development, the alumnus. Yes, the life of the Mad Hatter is truly something to behold, both their successes and their failures. Their lives reflect our own, and with continued study, maybe we can learn more about this unique species, and, in doing so, learn about ourselves. This has been your narrator, Jonathan Cum. Join us next week as we delve into the recently discovered archival footage of the Mad Hat Society and its mysteries.